When will this madness end? Okay, I understand most of the construction decisions at Coronado Springs. I mean, who doesn't want a renovated room? And I do think the need for more rooms is real, and that the tower will help with that. And I gotta tell you, I really can't wait for their floating restaurant, the Oasis, to open. But this has gone too far, and some changes are not good. And I'm talking about the continuing saga of Dogman and the Chicken Princess. No, not the food chicken princess, the Mexican folk art chicken princess. You know, the one located in the Pepper Market food court at Coronado Springs. See, it's even there in Disney's official photo of the Pepper Market. I mean, let's face it, she was kind of hard to miss. But recently, the Pepper Market has undergone some major changes.
It's not the Pepper Market anymore. It's the El Mercado de Coronado. I guess it's fancier now.
They've even taken out the margarita bar and replaced it with a soft drink corner. Yeah, okay, they have beer, but it's not a margarita. Okay, some of the changes are nice. They have that sleek, modern look, but some things are sacred and shouldn't be changed. And of course, I'm talking about Dogman and the Chicken Princess. I mean, when we visited in April, Dogman was standing proud in the hallway. And the Chicken Princess was covered over to protect her from the ongoing construction, leading me to believe that they understood how important she really was. But when we came back in August, there was this sleeker, slimmer box, and things weren't looking good. I mean, nothing personal, but she had a bigger bottom than that, and it appeared to be missing. And at this point, I couldn't even bring myself to look down the hall for Dogman, because I knew he was gone. So, we returned again in September.
I'm sorry to say, I've taken a look and Dog Guy's gone. And in the continuing saga, is she in the box or not in the box? I choose to believe she's still there.
Okay, with that being said, let's just take a look at the rest of the El Mercado de Central. I really do like the cool new seating that they have. Even though I don't really get a chance to sit in any of them. According to my sources, this area is all going to be tiled. And really, the overall vibe of the place is pretty cool. And for now, the menu hasn't really changed. I mean, everything kind of still looks the same. They did put in this adult beverage cooler. I guess that's just supposed to make us forget about the margarita bar. May it rest in peace. But I guess, for the most part, the changes look good. It does have a more contemporary vibe. But I guess, as always,
I choose to believe she's still there.
If you like this video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Now, I do have reports that the Chicken Princess is located in a yard somewhere in the greater Orlando area. So if you do see her, let me know in the comments below.